Hello, my name's Rita Gupta, Managing Director of LGFL Limited. Now, as the nation goes back into lockdown, then most law firms will be operating on a fully remote basis. In fact, many law firms have carried on working that way over the last few months. What I wanted to talk to you about was what you can do as the family law client to ensure that your matter is dealt with as efficiently as possible during this period. Now, the first aspect I'll touch on is emails. Clients tend to think that emails are being constantly monitored. Now, most lawyers are spending a lot of time answering emails, but it can't be the case that you assume that your email will be read and actioned immediately. Therefore, if it is an urgent matter, I would suggest that you telephone your solicitor's officers. Furthermore, if there's an update or your instructions have superseded, do ensure that you telephone your solicitor's office to ensure that the last set of instructions are actually being dealt with and actioned. Some aspects of a case which are quite technical, or for example where there are shades of grey, are much better dealt with on the telephone or via a video call. Otherwise, the email communication can actually ask more questions than it answers. Video calls also have the added advantage of being able to share a screen and ensure that you're both looking at the correct set of documents. If you're sending your solicitor a huge amount of documents, for example for a Form E, don't send repeated emails with lots of attachments that are unstructured. Make sure you collate them, label them, and if possible, put them in some order. That way, it'll ensure that nothing is missed from your Form E or other document, and that all of them are included in the evidence that is put forward on your behalf. Also, it will make a considerable difference to the cost if the evidence that is received from your solicitor or the documentation is clearly structured. So they're my top tips on what you can do to help your case being managed remotely at this particular time.